Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the last episode on my 3-part series titled What If? I'll leave the links below in the description box for the first 2 episodes. So what if moving forward is not forgetting but trusting? What if moving forward isn't betrayal but bravery and kindness? You know, it takes courage to heal and move forward. It's much easier to stay stuck and stay the victim and point the finger of blame. And kindness is about being kind to yourself, giving yourself permission to let go and move forward. And don't worry, karmically, they won't get away with it. Your job is not to retaliate. Your job is to learn, grow, and step into your power. You are allowed to move forward without guilt, without fear, or pretending it didn't hurt, or dismissing what happened. Trauma is real, abuse is real, pain is real, loss is real. But so is inner power, inner peace, and inner light. So welcome to anyone new here. My name is Anne-Marie. I'm a transformation coach and hypnotherapist, and I help people reclaim their power to find healing and purpose in their lives after loss, pain, or trauma. In particular, I love helping women recover and rebuild themselves from narcissistic relationships. If you want to work with me, my details are below in the description box. You know, sometimes we stay stuck because the pain feels familiar. It's what we've become used to. We fear the change, we fear the unknown, we fear the growth and letting go. But spiritually, moving forward doesn't erase the past. It heals it and it redeems it. Staying stuck doesn't protect you from the pain. It only protects the pain from being challenged and healed. Spiritual growth reminds us, though sorrow may last for a night, joy will come in the morning. So what if joy is still allowed and I can take 1 step instead of 10? What if peace is not disloyal, but it is true to my spiritual path? What if life can include both scars and happiness, and that my story has chapters that I haven't read yet? Faith is choosing to rise and keep taking another step forward, even when the path isn't fully visible, even if I can't see around the corner. That's courage. Growth isn't rushing. It isn't pretending. Growth is trusting the divine, 1 baby step at a time. Scars don't disqualify you. They reveal your inner strength. What if your story doesn't end where you were hurt, but where you chose to rise? What if your life still holds meaning? What if your future is bigger and brighter than your past? So faith begins with 1 brave but tiny step and 1 simple question. What if? And if you have a positive what if story, I'd love for you to share it in the comments below. So that's the end of this series, and I look forward to continue on our healing journey, on our spiritual growth journey, on our rising and shining journey. So until next time, as always, lots and lots of love from my heart to you.